party people.
This is plugging up a tire part 3.
Yep. It wasn't even a fucking nail.
What is it?
Piece of metal. Alright. Yeah, it's kind of fucking hard. Is that right here?
Now, it would help, but see, Jobo fucked up my wrist yesterday.
Oh, it's not right there.
You want me to look?
Yeah, let's look real quick. Oh, it's right here? Oh, okay, I don't think it's back there. Okay. Hard times in the hood, cuz. Time to get on my knees. Oh, Christmas tree. I think your dildos came in, bud.
Oh, your Christmas gift?
No, I think.
What? You walked into that one, dude. That was a little too easy. You heard that Skip went to, out there to April's house?
Huh?
Skip went to April's house.
What do you mean?
Alan's mom, April's house.
Oh, what about it?
He went there.
Who went there?
Skip! Yeah.
He's over there right now?
I guess he probably got there already.
What the fuck?
Tammy took him.
Who?
Tammy.
Who the fuck? Oh.
Skip's, April's sister.
God damn.
UPS over here.
Thanks, bud. Merry Christmas to all, and all Merry Christmas.
Hey, why is my ball over there in the yard?
What ball?
My soccer ball.
That's not your soccer ball.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, they've probably been using it.
Who?
The neighbors.
That's my soccer ball.
Where'd you get it from?
I think Walmart or fucking Sam's Club or something.
God damn.
You gotta, if it was at an angle, you gotta go at the same angle, bud.
It wasn't that angle, it was straight in. So I pulled it out.
Like how I pulled out my balls yesterday.
You gotta sing to me.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, and the fire is so delightful. Since we have no place to go, let us know, let us know, let us know. It doesn't show them signs of stopping, and I brought lots of corn for popping. Turn the lights way down low, let us know, let us know, let us know. When we finally kiss goodnight. Oh, how I hate going out in the snow. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. Lights turn way down low. Let us know, let us know, let us know. Let us know, let us know.
To all those who think this is easy, this is not easy.